Welcome, super sidekicks. We are about to order my fancy schmancy super rapid gym. There are two super secret rules we must follow. Rule number 1. Always listen to my super space orders. Do not talk to me now, super space opera. I'm getting very important things. Space Rule number 2. Always pay attention to the movie. Always pay attention to the movie one way. Rule number 3. Look listen to person. Rule lesson deal, please. Let's make you all the ways you see it. All of Asia is shining. And all of China's moment being sucked into. Outer space. Chickens were different.
But there's something like this. He can say spaghetti for the whole world.
Do I think that is
Super sidekicks, let's go to space and bring back that spaghetti!
You're going to space in that thing? Good luck.
the heroes are to save the spaghetti.
Looking good.
Save that spaghetti!
That's 4 seconds to countdown.
Ernie, hang on, Bert.
Good luck!
Off to outer space.
We made it!
With the satellite here.
Oh, hey! Come on! Let's find this spaghetti!
Have no fear. I have everything under control.
Holy moly! Now I'm meatballs! Macaroni's got super rubber in his truck!
You too. Macaroni slide is coming to a boil. Take a walk.
Oh no! Elmo wishes he had some help! Stop, Daddy! We're friends! Macaroni, sit in! Keep quiet, everybody! We don't want to set out any... Alarms!
Don't worry. I have him right where we want him. She's that
Not if we can help it! Elmo Sesame Street friends!
Pasta back to Earth! Yay, bird!
Your cute and furry hero has saved the day.
Time to go back home! And now, let's
Super Bowl.